As much as there's fun and thrill in making a voiceover in Chi, I realized that it takes skill and the grace of God. Because to me, hey, I thought I was a Chi maestro, but I said I did not try me. Anyway, let me stick to my English. Welcome guys, my name is Abena Cooks, or Nanabna, or you can just say Cooks, and we're good to go. Anyway, this is a mini and a very short version of my Ghanaian salad recipe. In this video, I am doing the salad without cabbage, like the first one I did, and this time around with some tomatoes, which is something that I rarely do because I really just don't like the taste of tomatoes in my salad. I mean, I love tomatoes, but not in my salad. But yeah, this is for those of us who are not really good with cabbages, but you can do well with the others. Here is another video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you don't know I have a YouTube channel, well, now you know. Kindly subscribe, check on the link in my bio, and anticipate more of such videos. Thank you, and see you later. Bye. Welcome to my family.